Immortals Rising, Gears of War Judgment, Gears of War Judgment, Lego Marvel Superheroes 2, Lego Marvel Superheroes 2, Lara Croft and the Guardian of Light, Lara Croft and the Guardian of Light, Wolfenstein Youngblood, Wolfenstein Youngblood, Spelunky, Spelunky, Super Bomberman R, Super Bomberman R, Resident Evil Revelations 2, Resident Evil Revelations 2, Call of Duty Black Ops EI, Call of Duty Black Ops EI, Gears 5, Gears 5, BattleBlock Theater, BattleBlock Theater, Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2, Plants vs. Zombies Garden Warfare 2, Gears of War, Gears of War, Unravel 2, Unravel 2, Gears of War 4, Gears of War 4, Rayman Legends, Rayman Legends, Castle Crashers, Castle Crashers, A Way Out, A Way Out, Rocket League, Rocket League, Borderlands 2, Borderlands 2, Overcooked 2, Overcooked 2, Cuphead, Cuphead, Minecraft, Minecraft, Halo, the Master Chief Collection, Halo, the Master Chief Collection, Diablo Roman 3, Diablo Roman 3.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.